SmartFix. This keyless remote case allows you to simply replace a cracked or worn case. Convenient repair. Makes restoring a worn-out key fob easier by just replacing the cover. Seamless fit. Matches dimensions of original transmitter cover for a tight seal. Trustworthy protection. Keeps moisture and debris out of internal electronics. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Cracked or wore out your key fob case? Just replace the case with this convenient, affordable keyless entry transmitter cover, restoring the look and functionality. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly. This fixed the broken remote for our 2003 Toyota Camry perfectly. It took about 15 seconds to open the new case, open the old broken case and switch the internals. Did not have to modify in any way to make it work. For those people that are modifying these for another type of Toyota vehicle, they probably need to go directly to Dorman's website and find the exact one for their make and model. These things should not have to be modified to make them work.